Alright guys, welcome back to guys. Today I'm doing some herb butter. So I got some salt and pepper, some green onions. You can use chive if you have chives, some parsley. And this parsley is fresh from my garden guys. I'm doing a small batch so I don't need a lot. And some thyme and some garlic. Alright, so let's get into it. Alright, guys, we're gonna start by cutting our green onions. Let's cut the stem off. All I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to replant this. All right, so I'm going to put that to the side. I'm just going to cut these like so. All right, cut the ends off. All right, just like small cuts. Alright, that's about it. That's a little bit. Alright, you're gonna get your parsley. And we're just gonna crumble these in this nice little chop. Alright, now that's that, we're gonna add our thyme. It's gonna give everything fine. Alright. And I'm using unsalted butter guys, so when I add the salt it won't be too salty. Alright, now that our herbs is well minced, let's go ahead and make our herb butter. Alright, let's start by adding our butter. And make sure butter is a bit soft, but not melted. You don't want it too soft either. You want to be able to fold in the herb. I'm just going to go ahead and start breaking our butter up. So this is good consistency. You don't want it to be frozen, you don't want it to be too soft. So this consistency is perfect. Alright, now let's add our salt and pepper. Then our herbs. This is going to be delicious in steak, chicken. You could even use this as a spread for bread. So let me go so you guys could get a quick sneak peek of what I'm doing. And we're just going to go ahead and combine this as best as we can. Alright, well now we're at this consistency where it's spreading evenly. And I'm not getting any resistance from the butter, it's all. I'm going to go ahead and add some liquid smoke. And this is going to add flavor, especially if you're doing this with a steak, you do on the grill. Or anything that was charred and anything on the grill, give it that smoky, nice smoky flavor. I'm just going to add a tip because it's very potent. Alright. I'm just going to fold that in there. Alright. And guys, last but surely not least, we're going to go ahead and add our garlic. That should be good. Alright, now we're adding our garlic. We're going to fold our garlic in. Alright. Now that's in. We're going to get a piece of wrap. You could use saran wrap, you could use foil. Just using a regular piece of plastic. We're going to transfer our butter. Try to get it in the center. You don't want to waste any of this goodness. You get all of it. All right. So now we're going to roll this. I'm going to make sure that it doesn't touch it. I'm going to roll it. A nice circular roll. And you're going to that way you get a nice circle. Garlic, not garlic, herb butter. We're gonna put this in the freezer for an hour. We'll come back. I'll let you see the finished product. All right, guys, it's been that time. So we're gonna get our butter out. We're gonna unroll it. And look at that. Nice solid chunk of herb butter. What we're gonna do now, if you're eating a steak, you just go ahead and you just slice. I'll bring you guys in for a closer look at that beautiful herb butter. Now see what we got, guys. Nice and beautiful herb butter.